our topic is about inferring that heat transfer can be used to do work, and that work involves the release of heat. Let's begin. Previously, we discussed that heat can do work. We have discussed that a heat engine converts a portion of heat it has received to mechanical energy that is capable of doing work. Let us have some examples of heat doing work. One example is a car. A car has a heat engine where the mixture of fuel and air is combusted and compressed inside to move the pistons, which in turn move the car. Another is the boiling water in a kettle. As the water is heated, some water becomes steam, which can lift the kettle's cover. Another example is a geothermal power plant. A geothermal plant is a heat engine harnessing earth heat energy coming from decaying natural radioactive substances. This heat is converted to mechanical energy, which will be used to generate electrical energy. We will discuss this in detail in our next lessons. Now, try to rub your hands. What do you feel? Isn't it warm? As you rub your hands, you are doing work, and doing work involves the release of heat. It was Benjamin Thompson, also known as Count Romford, who observed that work involved releasing of heat. While boring a brass cannon, he observed that heat is generated as the drilling continues. He also immersed the cannon in water, bringing the water to boil. The relation between the mechanical work and the heat generated was determined by James Prescott Joule by conducting an experiment. He determined that for every work of 4.186 joules, 1 calorie of heat is generated. Now, let's try this. How much heat will be generated when 3,000 joules of work is done on an object? Using the relation, the heat that will be generated is 716.7 calories. We can also observe this even without computations. As the mixture of fuel-air works to make the car move, heat is also given off as exhaust gas. Same with the boiling water. As the steam works to lift the cover of the kettle also gets warmer. In summary, we have learned that the heat and work are related with one another. Heat can be used to do work, and doing work involves the release of heat. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.